In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a diagram in Excalidraw. If you've ever needed a quick, clean flowchart without wrestling with complex software, this walkthrough will show you a simple, reliable way to get it done using Excalidraw's text-to-diagram feature. First, open your web browser and head to excalidraw.com. Excalidraw runs right in the browser, so there's nothing to install. You'll land on a blank canvas where you can draw from scratch, but today we'll take the fast route. From the canvas, look for the More Tools option. This is where Excalidraw groups some of its smarter features that go beyond basic shapes and lines. Click More Tools and then choose Text to Diagram. This opens a small input area that lets you describe what you want to see, and Excalidraw will build it for you. In the prompt box, type exactly. Generate a flowchart for a simple recipe with steps. Chop, mix, bake, cool. Clear, direct prompts like this work best because they tell the tool the format you want. Here, a flowchart, and the order of the steps it should include. Listing each step in a simple sequence helps the tool connect everything with the correct flow. After you submit the prompt, Excalidraw will generate a preview of the diagram. You'll see the flowchart laid out with the steps in order. Take a moment to glance over the result to make sure it reflects the sequence you described. If it looks good, click Insert. That places the generated flowchart onto your main canvas, ready for use. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If your prompt is clear but the preview doesn't look quite right, small wording tweaks can help. Keeping steps short, using plain verbs, and maintaining the order you want. Also, the insert action is what commits the preview to your canvas. Until you insert, you're only looking at a draft. Once it's on the canvas, you can freely move it around, zoom in for a closer look, or adjust spacing visually if you prefer a different layout. Excalidraw is forgiving and intuitive, so it's easy to fine-tune without starting over. And that's it. You went from a blank canvas to a complete flowchart for a simple recipe, chop, mix, bake, cool, using just a short prompt. This method is perfect when you need a quick diagram that's clear, legible, and easy to share or build on later. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating your next diagram in Excalidraw.